In my beginning days, I learned from my teachers that HTML is a programming language. We created websites, and as an early age enthusiast of breaking things, we used to change things and find fun with it. In college, we realized that HTML was never a programming language, which was a betrayal, and it was much of a markup language. So, a markup language is made up of tags used to organize text, just as your mom organizes things for your cupboard. A programming language is used to write instructions for a computer to perform certain tasks by using user's logic. That logic can be greater or unnecessary, that's user's choice. HTML is used in aligning structures, while programming languages focuses on computations and actions. Just as Python have libraries to create greater products with no time, HTML can only be used to create websites but not greater products. Another difference to clarify is HTML uses tags while programming languages uses conditions, logics, loops and functions. And final blow to HTML is, it can't do calculations all by itself. Just like you, who don't know 19 times 6 is what? You didn't get it right. HTML is a great markup language, but to classify it as a programming language is a heinous crime. You know what? I'm just joking. You can do that, but this will make you look a fuller version in front of tech enthusiasts. This was iTalk Security. Until we meet again.